most welcoming the rainy season. New hope beneath the clouds, day 524. Description YouTube podcast ready. June 9th, 2026 Tokyo. Yesterday, the Kanto region, including Tokyo, officially entered the rainy season. And this morning felt exactly like it. Rain falling steadily, grey clouds stretching across the sky, no sunlight visible, no blue sky, just an unmistakable atmosphere of June in Japan. When I wake up, football was already underway. New Zealand vs Uzbekistan. One moment stood out. Dutch player Warren Zaïre-Emery appeared to collide with the opposition goalkeeper and was substituted shortly afterward. Moments like that remind us how quickly football can change. The World Cup is getting closer every day. Every friendly match feels like part of the preparation. The Bonsai also seems to be preparing. The Asahiyama Sakura looks healthier today after yesterday's watering. The branches seem to calmer. The buds look more hydrated. The tree leaves stronger. However, one thing still catches my attention. Some soil has become visible beneath the moss. The moss has thinned enough for earth underneath to appear. It's a small detail, but it's difficult not to notice. The Cerisa has reached an interesting stage. There are very few leaves left that can continue darkened. Most of the visible decline has already happened. So now I find myself hoping for something different. A new green shoot, a fresh beginning, small sign that life is preparing the next chapter. Bonsai reflection. Rain creates possibility. Today's lesson. Rain does not guarantee growth, but it creates the condition for growth. Moisture returns, roots absorb water, new life gains opportunity. Sometimes preparation is enough. Then travel Kakegawa to Kyoto. Tea fields, ancient streets and seasonal rain, connected with Australia's ironic landscapes. Kakegawa, Shizuoka. First, green tea fields beneath low clouds. Second, Kakegawa Castle overlooking the countryside. Australian parallels, Yarra Valley, agricultural beauty shaped by climate. Hunter Valley, rolling landscape and slower rhythm. Productive landscape depends on patience. Third, river, forest and historical towns, passing by rain windows. Fourth, rain clouds, following the route toward Kansai, Australia parallels. Blue mountains, misty valley and changing skies. Dawn ranges, forest shaped by moisture and over time. Rain transforms every landscape. Kyoto. Fifth, temple route shining under light rain. Six quiet alleyways carrying the century of history. Australian parallel, Sydney Harbour, ironic landscapes shaped through generations. Fremantle, heritage preserved within modern life. Historical place survived through conditioned care. Clement 7. Tokyo entering the rainy season. Moisture returning to the landscape. 8. Australia temperature region after rainy renewal and recovery. Different countries. Same lesson. Rain change everything slowly. Why this channel continues? This channel followed most thinning and recovering, but waiting patiently, leaves struggling and adapting, season changing naturally, no shortcut, just real nature. Bonsai philosophy, hope comes first, today's truth. The moss has thinned, the soil is visible, the silica is struggle, and yet I find myself looking for a new green growth. Perhaps hope itself is the same life. June 9th, day 524th, rain above Tokyo, moisture beneath the models, the new season beginning, final reflection, rain clouds above, living roots below, new possibility in between, real tree, real moss, real season from Japan. Thank you for following this journey from Zen Bonsai Vibes.